Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another review on foot, and I'm going to do an unboxing as well. So for this shoe, you guys are probably familiar with this shoe. The Vomero 5 is what we're going to be looking at today in the electric green colorway. So this shoe is it's available right now on Nike. I think it's limited sizes, but it's going for retail, or on some aftermarket sites you can get it for under retail. But in my opinion, this shoe is one of the most comfortable shoes that I think I've ever put on, next to like a Jordan 13 and a 700 Wave Runner Yeezy. Other than that, these shoes, man, they're at top of my list. So yeah, so let's get right into it. This pair came straight from Nike. So let me go ahead and get the unboxing started. It comes in, Nike sends you sometimes full tab boxes, which I don't mind, actually. Pretty easy to unbox this particular shoe. They come in this style box. Throw the box to the side. Oh, so of course you get that black box. Of course, the black box with your Nike branding there on the back of the shoe. You got your Nike branding on the side of the shoe as well in black. And then there you have your sizing tag. I wear a size 10 in Vomero 5, so I went with a size 10. And let's see here, what does the label read? Label reads electric green, black, white. Nike Zoom Vomero 5 SE SP. Special project. I don't know what's special about this project. Maybe the colorway, I'm not sure. I think it's an OG colorway, but yeah. So there's the shoes. Of course, if you've seen this unboxing before, this is not a new shoe, so I know you've probably seen other unboxings, but my previous unboxings, I did share, what type of paper that it came in. You get your white Nike paper. Inside of the box is just, plain white inside of the box. Let's get into the shoe. Boom. Clean shoe, man. And like I said, probably the most comfortable shoe I've ever worn. I got the racer blue pair, but this pair is nice too. So let's start with the outsole. You got your header electric green, black with your gray right here on the side. As we move to the upper of the shoe, the midsole, you have, if you can see there, I don't know if this is gonna pick it up, but it has a cushion on there. And right here on the black part, it says Nike Zoom. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but it's embedded inside the black that's on the upper of the shoe. So the midsole, you got your combination of white, got that electric green and that black topping off the midsole. The upper of the shoe, you got your gray with your black hits, black swoosh. You got your electric green mesh right here coming around to the toe box, and the toe cap, you got your white right here. And anywhere on here that you see these lines here, those are 3M. So you watch my last video, I put a little picture up of what it looks like with the 3M on, but these lines are all 3M. So we look at the toe box, man, the toe box is fire. Is one of my favorite portions of the shoe. I just like the way it's shaped. This is mesh outside of this black strips on the toe box. I just like the way that looks. And then you have your leather, little strip of leather right here leading up to the tongue of the shoe. You got your pink, also 3M pink strip on the top of the shoe. On the blue pair is orange, so this is pink, and you have your mesh electric green tongue. It's your Nike Vomero right there on the tongue. Black laces. On the medial side of the shoe, same. You got your hits of electric green, black, gray, and black swoosh. And then you have on the ankle collar that electric green and that mesh again. On the back, I do like this right here. It's like a breathable ventilation system right here. It's hard plastic, but you can see the mesh of the ankle collar coming through. That's a dope touch. And you have the electric green swoosh here on the back as well. Inside of the shoe, you got your sizing tag. It does come with shoe paper. On the inside, you're gonna have that pink insole with your Bowerman series right there. And like I said on my previous video, Bowerman is a co-founder of Nike. So they're paying homage to him with this shoe. Black sock liner, which is a plus. You have to worry about that getting dingy over time and over wear, because this is more of like a summer shoe to me. So I do like that he went with that black sock liner. And like I said, the whole upper of the shoe, man, as you can see, it's just like this mesh material where it's very flexible and it's very lightweight. So, I mean, it's a perfect shoe for the summer. It's got plenty of ventilation so your foot won't sweat. And yeah, I'm digging this this series here. Yeah, so let's hop back in the front of the camera. Let me give you my final thoughts, and just go ahead and end the review off with the on foot. All right, so that was the review of the Nike Vomero 5 in that electric green colorway. You know, tell me what your thoughts are down in the comment section below. You know, you think this is a clean shoe? You want to go ahead and try this silhouette, see what you think. You know, it's probably it's a good shoe for, I would say, working out, casual wear, running. You know, it could fit a different multitude of options here. But, and like I said, this shoe right now, if I go to my sneakers, I believe they're still available on sneakers. Let me just check and see what sizes they have available right now. Let's go to in stock. See what we got here. Bam. Let's go ahead, 160. Hit that purchase button. Let's see what we have. Okay, so right now, what they have in stock is they have a men's 3.5, 4, 5, 5.5, 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, and the men's 10. So they are, you know, gradually selling out. But if you want to get a pair, they are available right now. So I wouldn't waste time right now if you want to grab the shoe. But right now also, they are going for under retail on the secondary market. So, you know, if you're comfortable buying from, you know, the secondary market like GOAT, StockX, or eBay, right now they're going for, you know, in this size 10, they're going for about 120 to 125. So, you know, other sizes are probably going below retail as well. So if you want a pair, go ahead and grab them up. I guarantee you won't be disappointed. They are, like I said, one of the most comfortable shoes I've ever put on. Probably gonna hold on to this pair. I did end up getting like 2 or 3 more pairs because I didn't know how they were gonna do as far as, like, you know, selling. So I'm gonna go ahead and let the other pairs go on my eBay. I'm definitely invested in, like, the blue pair was my first initial pair that I purchased. And I was super happy with the shoe. I wore the shoe all day long, and when I tell you comfort, like, I didn't want to take them off. I didn't take them off until late that night. And I'm sold. So if they keep bringing out fire colorways like this in the Racer Blue, then, you know, you can count me in. The next pair I would like them to do, you know, of course I'm biased because my favorite color is red. So I would like to see them do where the same color blocking, where the electric green is on this shoe, maybe do like a red, university red, or true red, fire red, whatever red they want to pick. Put the red where the electric green is. You know, change this strip to a different color, maybe black with the 3M on it, and that'll be a fire shoe. Guaranteed sellout with that shoe. So yeah, like I said, if they keep bringing out fire colorways in this shoe, then you can count me in. On the road to 1,000 we hit. So thank you to everyone who supported me, who currently is continuing to support me. I appreciate it, man. But without further ado, let's hop into this on foot, and into the next cop, into the next review. I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one, done one. I'm so what this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.